aside from the Iloilo unsolicited proposal, meron pa ho bang ibang ganitong proposal na mukhang natutulog sa kangkungan yung proyekto? Kasi, Madam Chairperson, actually, parang itong project sa Iloilo reminds me of the Bulacan Airport, di ba? Yung Bulacan Airport, ganito din yung naging story nito na back and forth between DOTR, NEDA. Meron pa ho bang iba?
Madam Chair, in response
Go
to
ahead. Yes, Mr. Santiago, go ahead, please.
Yes po. In response to the question of Senator Bina, yes po, Senator. Aside from yung pong unsolicited proposal sa Iloilo Commercial Port Complex, may pending din pong unsolicited proposal for the General Santos Port and for the Davao Sasa Port po. So 3 ports po yung subject ng unsolicited proposal, all under the same scenario po and predicament.
Parang
So yung
Senator Binay, parang ang tagal na natin naririnig yung Davao Sasa Port, hindi pa pala yun nag-uumpisa, no? Okay, go ahead, Senator Binay.
Hindi, same observation, Madam Chairperson. Parang ang tagal na nung Davao Sasa Airport. And I think siguro yan more than 4 years na.
Akala ko nga tapos na yan kasi di ba
yun lang siguro.
Oh.
Madam Chairperson, maybe they can just submit to the committee the status of the 2 other ports. Yan lang po.
Yes.
Thank you, Madam Chairperson.